Ford Focus horn problems are extremely common, especially in models from 2000 to 2018. These issues account for 12 to 15% of all electrical complaints in these vehicles. Start with the basics. Check the horn fuse in the engine compartment fuse box. It's typically rated for 10 to 15 amps. Look for a blown filament inside the fuse. Next, test the horn relay by swapping it with an identical relay from the same fuse box. If the horn starts working, you've found your problem. Ensure your battery voltage is at least 12.4 volts. Low voltage can cause weak horn operation or complete failure. Recent diagnostic data shows the most common failure points. Horn relay failure accounts for 35% of cases, blown fuses 25%, clock spring deterioration 20%, horn assembly failure 15%, and wiring issues just 5%. Understanding the horn system helps with diagnosis. The circuit includes the battery, fuse, relay, horn switch in the steering wheel, and the horn assembly itself. The clock spring maintains electrical connection as the steering wheel rotates. The clock spring is a common failure point, especially in older vehicles. This component contains ribbon cables that can deteriorate over time, causing intermittent or complete horn failure. If the fuse, relay, and battery voltage are all good, you'll need to test the horn assembly directly and check other components. This requires more advanced testing with a multimeter. Remember the basic diagnostic sequence. Check the fuse, test the relay, and verify battery voltage. These 3 steps will identify the majority of horn problems in Ford Focus vehicles. The first step in horn system repair is testing the horn assembly directly. This determines whether the horn itself is functional or if the problem lies elsewhere in the circuit. Disconnect the horn connector and apply 12 volts directly to the horn terminals. A functional horn should produce 100 to 110 decibels of sound output. If the horn works with direct power but fails normally, the problem likely lies in the clock spring. This component maintains electrical connection while the steering wheel rotates and commonly fails in 2012 to 2018 Ford Focus models. To inspect the clock spring, you must remove the steering wheel airbag following proper safety procedures. Check for visible damage or broken ribbon cables in the clock spring assembly. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for steering wheel control codes. Modern Ford Focus models integrate horn controls with other systems, making diagnostic scanning essential for proper repair. Clock spring replacement is the most common repair for intermittent horn operation, especially in cold weather. Complete clock spring assembly replacement typically costs $280 to $350, including parts and labor. Professional repair ensures proper installation and prevents airbag system faults. Always verify that all steering wheel controls function properly and that the airbag warning light remains off after completing the repair.